let's do some makeup. A flawless filter right on our high points. I used a lot of tinted moisturizers lately, but I have been loving the Laura Mercier one. This one is in 2W1 Natural, and it's just been fabulous, so we're just dotting that on. And then let's just start blending that in. What's kind of interesting about this tinted moisturizer, yeah, is like when I look at my skin, I really don't see the product, but like when you're done, like you can see it blends straight into the skin, but it just makes everything look so smooth. I'm just really loving this. So next up, NARS sent over some color correctors. Dude, I'm so pumped to use these. I'm gonna use the lightest one. More than likely, these are going in my kit, so I just put a little bit on the back of my hand with my spatula, but I'm just gonna take it underneath the eyes, and it's a little bit of a brush applicator if you are like curious about that. But I like that orange. It's got like almost a yellowy orange to it instead of like peachy, which I usually use, but actually I like that. I do my regular routine of just pushing it in with my sponge. I'm gonna pop just a little bit of my Derma Blend just where I usually do for a little extra coverage. Also this friend right here and that friend right there. I'm having a little redness there, so just like that. And I'm just gonna blend that in with my sponge. We're definitely using products with differentiation and coverage. You can definitely see, like, you don't see as much of my skin peeking through, whereas on my cheeks you can see the redness, but I like that it's doing that. I also like in person it doesn't look as intense. On camera it looks a little bit more intense because that's what camera lights do, but I really like the combo. I've really been enjoying cream bronzer, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and I work this on the outside perimeter. I like it on a bigger brush because you're just gonna get a really soft, natural look with this. Okay, like this is summer skin. I'm in love. Let's play up this like summery look with a little bit of whipped blush. This from Shiseido and Sayoko, shade 06. I like to apply like there right on top of the cheeks and then just blend this in for a summer flush. This is looking so good. I'm gonna grab a little bit of powder just for, you know, where you're feeling a little bit like a grease ball, and just pop that in. Mostly it's just the center of the face, just to kind of give some balance to all the glow that we got going on. Grabbing a little powder bronzer just to set everything. Like, when do we not just need like a little extra glow? Literally always. Just gonna pop on a tiny bit of brow. I always skip mascara, but do your thing. And let's just add a nice summery gloss. And that's how we achieve deliciously glowing skin for summer.